Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can create custom crosshairs or reticles for your each hero in Overwatch 2. It's quite easy and simple, and let me show how. So first, of course, load up your game and then press menu button, and that is on the bottom right corner. I'm on controller, so I just need to press options button, and then I need to go on options, and then I need to go on controls, so I need to press R1 a few times here. And once you're here, as you can see here, there is reticle, and you can change the type. So for example, crosshairs, and press advanced, and now as you can see here, you can change color, you can change thickness, crosshair length, center gap, and much more. And if you want to change, and basically if you want to have different reticles to each hero, what you need to do here on the as you can see here, right side, there is all heroes tab, and I need to press R3 to change hero. So I will press that, and I'll go, for example, on soldier, and as you can see here, now I can customize my reticle for this hero particularly, right? So if I go on crosshairs, as you can see here, I can make it, for example, green. And that's pretty much it what I need to do here. And if I go back on controls, as you can see here, for all heroes is set up red, and if I select, for example, soldier, as you can see here, it's green. Right, so that's basically how you can create custom crosshairs or reticles for each hero in Overwatch 2. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.